fight their way through endless masses of genetically engineered monsters. To please an ungrateful and bloodthirsty audience. To follow the path of the heroes who have survived and beaten this vicious reality show in the past. The illusion of escaping the cycle of poverty is as mesmerizing and treacherous as the singing of a siren. But it might be your only chance. Abandon all hope before entering this terrifying reality show called Killing Room.
If that isn't a good intro, I don't know what is. I know I'm gonna hear loud ass music as soon. Yep, there it is. It always makes me think of Twisted Metal music. Don't know why. Maybe the same beat? I think it's Twisted Metal 4 I'm thinking of. Anyway, welcome back everybody, Infinity Drill here today, and we are drilling into a game called Killing Room. Now, originally, I would have liked to do this game, when I had actual subscribers or viewers, people to harass me and, mess with me. Well, turns out the URL link doesn't work anyway, but you would have been able to. So I don't know when they're going to fix it, hopefully relatively soon. Obviously, maybe the game just isn't getting any love anymore, but it is a really fun game, cool concept. I like the fact that people can get involved and it's not just one person playing. You can have people harassing and being little shits. So, oh well. But hopefully they'll fix it soon, and let's get on into it. Of course, we're doing hardcore. Hardcore is take more damage, one random bad item, lower starting stats, and less ammo and weapon pickup. So, let's hit our head against the wall. Because we ain't scared around here. When I first saw this game, I had actually watched a YouTuber called Markiplier play it, and it was hilarious. I think he ended up getting like shrooms as an item, and then a stubby leg as an item. He had one leg, so he was hopping, and then he got like a high heel, so he was hopping and clacking the whole time. This level is medium. Oof, that's sensitivity though. But we are patient. Let's see, how do I go into settings? Controls, mouse sensitivity. That's better. Oh, that was just reactive. I saw something coming towards me, I shot it. And what do you expect me to do? You came at me pretty quick, boy. Ooh, I forgot, you gotta reload. And there are traps everywhere. And I'm stepping in all the traps. And that's out of ammo. Man, they take a lot of health. Of course. We could try to pick lock this, but to be honest, I don't know our luck. Apparently our luck's not too bad. Ah, shut up. You don't want the exit. Oh god. Screw you, fire guy. I wish there were more explosives in the middle of the room. So it looks like there's piercing for weapons. You do 25% more damage with pistols? Well, I mean, it makes sense.
Lucky me.
I could walk, but, you know, what's the point of a teleporter? Oh god, oh god. Hella more damage. If I could hit him. I didn't shoot the robot. That's some old bullshit. There we go. Of course, it's a trap. I ain't got money for any of this. $2,000. Oh shit! What should we do? You know what? No one likes this anyway. I'd say the random box, but I have horrible luck. What is this thing? Oh, it's ammo. So lockpick wouldn't hurt. Some armor. You know what? Random box. Knit or dye. With these super cool needles, you can create a great hairstyle or sturdy clothes. After clearing every room, you take your time to do some knitting. Gives you +1 vest.
Shiny.
Not gonna lie, got a little hot in here. Can we make it to the first boss? No, not like this. Double kill. First slot. Oh, well. Oh, God. Well, if we're gonna go hardcore, we might as well go hardcore. Get out of here. We got some money. Some moolah. Some ducats. Yeah. We're good on money for a second. I say that, but we're probably gonna need some. Oh, should I lockpick? Nope, got health. Say I'm a dick for activation. No, thank you. Okay, we're at the boss room. That was quick. I don't even know what to say. He's got a grenade launcher attached to his arm. Miss me. Oop. Oh, you can't smack him. Oh god. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh. Oh, 3 health left. My heart's stopping a little bit, not gonna lie. Oh, we got a little bit more health, thank God. Oh. French fries with mayonnaise. Minus 10 max health. Well, good thing I didn't need that health, I guess. This is illegal and punishable by death. I'm a villain. What do they say? The villains never win, right? Or the villain route's always the hardest? The question is damage. Oh, ammo. We need ammo. And we need some health. So there's 8 floors. It's a medium level. Where my flies at? Get out of here. I guess we're just a devil. We're gonna do a devil run. That's gonna be our first ever. But you know what? We have a great trap, and we have great traps in Killing Room. Well, I'd say I'm surprised, but I'm not. What is that? That the camera? I ain't looking at that. I ain't that dumb. I can read the text just fine. And yes, I do follow instructions once in a while. Can you shoot it? You cannot. Oh God. Oof, almost stepped in that trap. Let's see if we can use this explosive. Oh God, spike trap. I guess I should take out the snowmen, they're the quick ones. Make the other guys a little bit easier to deal with. There we go. Strategy. I have a brain somewhere. You are a hipster. 20% bonus for visiting cafes, 50% discount on flannel shirts. Alright, I got a beard now. Is there a teleporter in here? I think we want good popularity, don't we? Right? Minus 100 popularity. Well, I said we were doing the devil run. We're doing the devil run. Oh, this is why I don't gamble. I would just be unlucky all the time. It'd be a series of me losing. This is just an empty room. Oh, this is the other way. There we go. Get my bearings. Alright, so it's just lasers. Not bad at all. We're good on health. I don't really feel like lockpicking anything. Oh! Okay, that hurts. I don't know why. Oh, I got armor, that's why. I was gonna say, I'm not taking damage. Oh, I'm pretty sure they gave me a haircut. Not gonna lie. Oh my god! Oh, there's a crowd. That's too many people. 2's a party, 3's a crowd, and we got 7. 8? Something like that. You can screw up. Oh, 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 oh. It would help if I didn't miss, but I need to aim a little high. I think there's critical hits. Let's see if we can get a couple headshots. Yep, there is. That had my heart pumping. What was even in here? Just traps? Oh. I can't. What? Oh, death is on there. Well, that's a good thing I didn't die. Pumpkin helmet. Okay, I got a helmet. I think it gave me a little bit of defense or something, but... And then this one doesn't even take ammo. Well, that was worthless. Oh wow, so you need popularity to even use those. That's what it means. Oh, that's some bull. I didn't get hit before. You gotta remember to shoot him in the face. Oh, he can dodge. And that hurts. Does he have a critical spot? Buy that. $6 grand. Random item plus 1 speed. Well, at least I didn't get screwed. Stay max health. I know I could use a teleport, but honestly, it's just faster to go this way. That was the exit. Oh, wait, no, we want the exit. God. Doesn't help my recording thing is right over the map. No, 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 no. How'd you like them? Dem's the rules. Die, bitch. Alright, exits that way, we need to go north. No! Ouch! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh, not like this! Not like this! Oh! 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 I don't think I'm gonna make it very far. Health? Oh, hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, that's the exit, so we need to go this way. Oh, ice one, ice one. Oh god. Not like this. Not like this. Oof. They dropped their balls on me. Well, there you go. Killing room. if you want to check it out on Steam, I believe it's like 15-20 bucks. It's pretty cheap. Obviously beware, because if the developer's not keeping up on it, the URL will never work, and then you'll never get to enjoy that function of the game. But if you like a little tough, action shooter, just quick play game, I'd say give it a try. Maybe, hopefully, the developer will come back and be able to do something with it like that. But otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.